I wanted to make a makeup look that is only eyeshadow and regular makeup. You can make a spooky ghoul look. It doesn't have to be anything too expensive. And you can kind of just have your outfit be like, whatever. I got on maybe a little bit too much chapstick, so I've made a grave mistake. That's okay. This is how I got started doing makeup and face paint. I would just do some anonymous ghoul not based off of any movie or anything, just out of eyeshadow because I didn't have the funds to be investing in special effects makeup yet, but I would do this every year. I find that red just under the eyes is already a really simple Halloween rugged grunge look on its own. I'm doing sort of a play on kind of my everyday makeup because this is designed to be kind of cute. Sort of just like everyday with trick-or-treat vibes in mind. I just got this free sample of this. I'm kind of digging it. Just need to take my new lashes for a little test drive, you know? I like using this kind of eyeliner for outlining because it feels exactly like a Sharpie if you've ever drawn on yourself with one of those.